wanted my children to be aware, interested, and connected with the world. Art is history, and history is the world.
My mom is amazing. She introduced me to the arts and encourages my creativity.
It was really important for me to just have well-rounded children. Bring art into your life and travel and culture and to see different things.
Traveling with you through Europe and everywhere we've been has completely shaped my worldview, and I think I'm so open and culturally aware. Seeing those paintings at age 6, 7, 8, 9 and being able to go into art class and say to all my teachers, oh, I've already seen that.
Not only did you inherit my artistic abilities, but you unfortunately inherited my dry skin. It's dry, it's dull, it's tight. But with Eucerin Advanced Repair, every day when you come out of the shower, it's really not an issue. I put it on every morning right after the bath or the shower. It locks in the moisture. It's rich enough, but yet it absorbs so well.
My legs are so dry that I'm insecure to even just show them. Using Eucerin Advanced Repair, I'm more confident even to wear shorts around the dorm or wherever I'm going.
No, I feel the same way because my skin gets scaly, especially, as I'm getting older, it seems to be drier. And I just feel as soon as I put it on, it's like when you put a flower in water, it just absorbs it all and it brings it back to life.
It's the only one that alleviates my dry skin, and I immediately just feel so relieved and moisturized, and it just makes me so much more confident.
Once I put it on and I feel like I'm all moistened and fresh and glowing from it, I just feel like I'm ready to take on the day. It's as important as the shower and brushing your teeth.
Eucerin Advanced Repair is the only lotion that gets rid of my dry skin. So Mom, you gave me great advice about skincare. You taught me everything there is about art. So now I have some advice for you. And I just want you to know, remember to take care of yourself, because we're all grown up now, so it's time for you.